Hello and welcome to my channel, IKnowGadgets. Today, we're going to talk about the DABA 48-in-1 bike repair kit that will revolutionize your bike repair. If you're a cycling enthusiast, you know how important it is to have the right tools when you're out on the road. That's where the DTool comes in, a pocket-sized kit that you can take anywhere with you. The DTool is available in two versions, DTool Classic and DTool Pro. With over 40 key features, it can solve 99% of the repair issues that you might face while cycling. The DTool Classic includes essential tools like hex wrenches, spoke wrenches, tire levers, chain cutters, and screwdrivers, while the DTool Pro takes it up a notch with additional tools like a mini flashlight, ejection pin, bottle opener, tire sealant storage bin, nail puller, and soffit wrench extension rod. With only 261 grams and the size of a credit card, you can easily carry it in your pocket, and it can help you keep riding no matter what issues arise during cycling. If you're interested in getting your hands on this amazing kit, you can find the link to purchase it in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more gadget reviews.